Okay, in today's video, we're going to go through, let's say, an Instagram trend. Let's get into it. Okay, so you've probably been searching on Instagram, looking at car photos, because that's what we all do, and we'll see this sort of trend happening of lots of contrast and lots of clarity. Well, today I'm going to show you how to do the best tutorial on contrast and clarity to get your Instagram clout up. Let's do it. Okay, so we're at the desk, we've got our photo open, and pretty much I'm going to show you this really quickly. I'll probably do it in Photoshop and Lightroom so you can get two aspects of it. It's going to be quick, it's going to be good, you're going to get clout so quick, it's going to be so grand. Alright, cool, let's get into it. So we've got our image here, all we need to do is open Camera Raw, that's all we need to do. So Command Alt A, and it'll pop up, and then you'll see on your right hand side you've got all these nice little sliders that do lots. You can really fine tune and grade your image, but all we need to know is this one right here, this bad boy. You want to just pump this up just a little bit. Yeah, it looks all right. Could do with a bit more. Add a little bit more. Let's go a little bit more. There we go. All the way up. That's perfect. And then this one here, we need to really focus on this one. So this one's contrast. So we'll just push this up a little bit. Yeah, it looks right. It looks, yeah. Could do a little bit more. Get in there. Get in there. Nearly. Not perfect, look at that. Fuck, just call me Van Gogh, that is beautiful. We'll just bring the highlights down as well, bring the whites down as well. We'll just push some blacks into it a little bit of exposure down. There we go, you can really see how crisp that is. It's just beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. And pretty much in Photoshop, you've done that, what was that, 10 seconds? Instagram clout instantly, nothing else needed. Just need those 2-3 sliders and you're perfect, you're absolutely perfect. Done. Alright, now let's go into Lightroom. Okay, so here we are in Lightroom. Again, it's going to be really, really quick. We'll just come up here, click develop, and again, you see your image pop up and your sliders on the right. So all we really need to do, again, those 3 sliders, because that's what gets you that stardom on Instagram, okay? So whack that all the way up. And where's our contrast? There's that bad boy, just a little bit. Oh, perfect, look at that. Oh, that's crisp. And we just want to squash the whites all the way down and then squash some blacks. Perfect. You know what, I'm going to push the boat out a little bit. Let's put a bit of DAs in it. Oh, look at that. All it needs is a watermark. Instagram, done. You have literally completed Instagram. So, yeah, that's it. Nice. And that's how you do it. That is how you rise to Instagram stardom with your car photos, with 2 easy little steps there. I know it was only like a minute, but that's how easy it is to get your Instagram game up, Instagram clout up. So yeah, that's it. I'm Alex. Well, I've been Alex. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you next Sunday. And if you can't tell, this was a really big joke. Yeah, it's a joke, I promise. Peace out.